In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Sheets to Excel without losing formatting. This process is quick and seamless, ensuring that all your data and formatting stay intact. Let's begin by opening the Google Sheet you wish to convert. If you haven't already got the specific sheet open, go to your Google Drive and find it in your list of files. Open it up and you'll see your spreadsheet data ready to be worked with. Make sure to double-check that this is the version you want to convert, as any recent changes you've made should be reflected. Next, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu of options. The File menu is your central hub for a variety of actions you can take with your document, such as sharing, printing, and most pertinent to this video, downloading. Once the File menu has expanded, look for the Download option. It's typically nestled midway down the list. Hovering over it will present you with several file format choices. This is where the magic happens. Google Sheets provides a variety of formats for download to cater to different needs, but today, our focus is on converting to an Excel file. Now that the download options have appeared, you need to select Microsoft Excel from the list. It's usually labeled as Pour Excel SX, and selecting this will initiate the conversion process. This step is crucial because it ensures that the file is formatted correctly for Excel, preserving as much of your original data layout and styles as possible. After selecting Microsoft Excel, your file will promptly begin downloading to your computer. You can find it in your Downloads folder or the bottom of your browser window, depending on your settings. Take a moment to open the downloaded Excel file and give it a once-over to confirm everything looks as it should. If your data and formatting appear intact, congratulations! You have successfully converted your Google Sheets file to Excel. To recap, this quick and easy process emphasizes maintaining the integrity of your data and formatting, so you can confidently share and manipulate your spreadsheet in Excel without any hassle. With just a few clicks, you transition your workflow between platforms, ensuring your data's versatility and accessibility. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps streamline your data management tasks. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and guides. See you in the next one.